Okay, Sunny, you are having about to send you the movie of water room. Today the glass fitter came. He tried to fix a glass over here, but he brought a small glass. It was required 40 by 36 inch. He brought 24 by 36 inch. So wrongly he brought and he has taken away back. So this glass is left and lighting is left. He will bring within 2-3 days next. This is the wash basin. You can see. And here the glass. This is a wash basin. And rest is fine. Rest will be okay. It will take 2-3 days more. This is the powder room. Okay? Come here. Why you taking so much time?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, this is the kitchen glass. He has fitted the kitchen glass.
Kitchen door.
Hold on, kitchen door. From here, you see here from here. Central.
बंद करो ना
I close it. You just see the photo. You see. This is the kitchen door, and here you see. Here is the handle. Close it. Take it from close. No, here it goes and it stops automatically here. There's no handle to catch and push. There's a plate only both sides where we have to push. No handle is put over on this glass. It moves. It's not easily moved. It goes with the spring, I think. It moves slowly. It will look good, fancy. But as you know, it's not comfortable. Suppose it's closed, then you have to take some time to open it. Then go. It's a blocking effect.
Door is not, glass is not properly cleaned.
No, it's not cleaned. They will bring chemical on the day when they come next time, 2-3 days. They said they will clean it. Okay? Come here. This is the kitchen. Just showing you photo. There is no much problem. It's okay. Yes. Here is the oven and microwave. Microwave earthwire was not fitted properly. I got it fixed yesterday from maintenance help. But here there is a one plug.
Even the material it's not good.
Yes.
Jangal is coming.
This is coming. It's coming rubbish. It needs cleaning daily.
No, not cleaning only. This material is not good. Some scratch. Yeah.
But anyhow, it's a company. You can't do anything. It's a company manufacturing. It was your requirement. It came. It's costed me. So here we have given the demand for this. Come in. We have already given the demand for this making a what is the sheet? Silver sheet? What you call? What sheet we wanted?
Aluminium sheet.
Aluminium. We already ordered a aluminium cover to cover both gadgets, dryer and machine both. And for this machine, we have not taken this costing 400, 500 because since aluminium is to come, why to get this sheet? And stand also we have not yet taken. Stand has come, but we demand to it. We demand for it. Yes. Okay. Now here is a.
This is the drawing room.
Oh! See, many times we are seeing drawing room. This is the glass. He's okay. He has fitted the glass. He has corrected this is bedroom number 4. He has corrected. It was earlier there was a width of 1 inch
gap.
So he has taken out some material from this what's called wall, and he has pushed the back inside.
Yeah, glass inside.
The glass is okay now. We don't have any complaint. And I have put the what's called Fabicol, silicone. I have got fixed the silicone from inside and outside both. So this is now okay.
Yeah, I think.
Now we'll clean it.
ਨਹੀਂ
with the-
ਨੀਚੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੇ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਡੋਰ ਦਾ
There's not much problem.
ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਵਰ ਦਾ
No,
ਨੀਚੇ
no, it's not coming much problem water. No more. It's hardly.
ਹਾਰਡਲੀ ਇੱਥੇ
Hardly.
ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਇਆ
We'll show later on. Come here. I'll get that. This is the. Oh, I think he has left here. Yeah. It is a.
ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਗੰਦਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਧੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਸਾਰਾ ਘਰ ਹੀ ਪੂਰਾ
This is here. There was a hole, big 2 inch by 2 inch here, and here also 1 inch 1 by 1 inch hole. I have done it with the neighbors, chartered accountant persons. I got putty from there, POP, and I have done myself.
ਪਰ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀ
No, it's okay. Okay, there's no much bad also. I have done, and the same way it was Simran's bathroom also. Same way I got fixed that also, and also office area where they have refixed the
ਚਲੋ
AC.
ਇਹ ਪੁੱਤ ਕਰੋ
And this is the same glass. It was also
Master
gap
bedroom
here.
bathroom.
And bedroom, master bedroom, but they have fixed it. They have put Fevicol left inside and outside. And I have cleaned now from inside. Earlier, come inside. Earlier, it was a dust over here. When they cut this stone, dust had gone all sides. It was black. So today I have cleaned and it has become very white. So they just did the work. They did not clean at that time because no one was here on their head.
ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਇਤਨਾ ਆਦੇ ਆਦੇ ਕਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਚਰਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖ ਗਏ ਨੇ
No problem. No, it's not a
ये
katra.
काम है।
It is not a katra. Anyhow, this is okay now.
सारे सारे कचरे कचरा
Whatever they have done, it is satisfied. There is no need to cry and cry.
ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਰੌਡ ਲੱਗਣੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ
Yes, one rod like this one rod. Show inside. Bring here. Come inside.
ਆਪੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਪੁੱਤ ਕਰ ਲਓ
Oh boy. This is the rod. This is a rod which it is fixed here, and therefore this glass is not moving. Whereas this shower side glass is a little shaking. So they told they will put one rod, same rod here, from left to this side, over here. So once they put one rod over here under the shower, goes to this side, this glass will also be fixed and will not shake. So one glass here, one rod, steel rod in the master bedroom, and one glass in the powder room is left. Okay. Now this is the glass which we got fixed from 8,000 from local man, and here show. This is movable. Earlier they put a lock inside, so it was locked by mistake from us. So suppose Simran goes inside and gets locked, so it's become difficult. So we have moved the lock, but it is a moving. Okay, there's no problem, and it gives a better look. 50 made them this is a good what's called cabinet. It's a good cabinet, giving a good look, like it's matching with our windows, other windows and doors. And here you can't go like this straight body, but you have to tilt like this, and any person can go and take bath over here, and he can come out same way outside like this, and after coming out he will again close this. This is the system of this bedroom. Yeah, the problem I don't know. This is the wall. Show it here. This was the wall, and this was the wall he has fabricated and made this bathroom stone. Is a 1 feet. It's a 12-inch wall he has brought up, and 12-inch by 6 feet, I think. 4 feet. 4 feet by this thing. It's around 4 by 8. 4 by 8, 32. 32 feet place he has made short.
इधरों भी हो गया ना, इधरों भी तो हो गया.
Yeah. So had it not been there, this bathroom would have been very nice. And I don't think he has done this also. He has brought from here to here. The shower has come up. So this was the wall. Here was the wall. I don't know why why he has brought this small, duplicate has come inside, and hence the bathroom is made very small. But whatever we could do, maximum, you want a door, we have got our door. With this glass wala, people were telling
ये सारे तो ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहे हैं, सोना भी लग रहे हैं.
This look a better look. Because his frame is good.
पानी भी नहीं बाहर आना और बात लेने लग गया.
No water comes out. Half remains always locked, and this you take it from here, take it from here.
हाथ ना में दे दो.
It's moving, no problem. Yeah, show it here. Here is on the top. This cement is not good. They have not done cement work, so I have to get it done privately from my private sources. Everyone refuses. He said, I have not done. The man say, I have not. It is not my duty.
वो सारे कहते ने प्रदीप तो कभी आया ही नहीं.
Yeah, this is a glass. This is AC of the office area, and
सारी दीवार गंदी हो गई बार-बार.
We have cleaned it.
और ये पीओपी भी क्रैक आ गया.
This from here they made a hole and they shifted a little bit. It was up from this side, down from this side. Now he has done the parallel after making a hole over here. So it was blocking the water. Yes.
देखो सारा पीओपी क्रैक. देखो नीचे भी क्रैक.
This
प्रदीप ਨੂੰ दिखाना है.
This we have shown the crack already is on the wooden. It's not a stone. Is a wooden here something. Is a wooden piece. So in that is a crack. So these small things. Now this AC is working. Okay. So this is to be cleaned. There's no other way for crying. We have to clean ourselves. Come. So
वो लाइट क्यों बंद कर देते हो?
We have to go outside.
चलो आउटसाइड की दिखाना जी.
Okay, nothing more. You are telling about this thing. This we have put your what's called. But nothing. We have done only one nail. We have put in the drawing room, in the dining room, and we have put this your showpiece over there, and also here. We have one nail over here in the office area. Show here. Show here. Come here.
Okay, Baba.
This is a calendar. This is a calendar of 2011 of Air Force. And here is a Harpreet calendar. In this calendar, it is a calendar of the 2011 where our Master Harpreet is standing. Is all officers, pilot officers of the Air Force, and Harpreet is number 1.
This side.
Okay. Are you seeing it? I hope he is the number 1. And these are. Hold on. I'm showing here. This Khalsa. He is in the commanding officer, CO. And these are the 14 officers, I think. There are 13-14 officers, and Harpreet is number 1. We have kept this calendar in our office area. This photo has come on the April 2011 month. All others photo, they have their aircraft photo. All photos, it is a Harpreet's helicopters. Keep on showing. I'll show you. Keep on showing.
Okay.
Very good. Number 1 is a 1 month. It is a all officers team photo. The second is his helicopter
display
giving a show. Third is giving one helicopter Sarang giving a show. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Make it close like this. Okay. And third month, July, is a 3 arrow. All the 3, bring down. There are three helicopters giving a show. This is the
ਉਹ
forum.
ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ
I showed him many times. Yeah.
ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਲੀਕਾਪਟਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ
Leave it. This is a foreign show. I don't know London or maybe America. I think is a England. The team went inside. The 4 helicopters are giving a show, air show. Are you seeing it? Yeah.
Yeah.
See it here. Yeah. See. Yeah. These are the helicopters and giving a show. 4 helicopters. Right. 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. These 4 helicopters giving a show in London. Okay. Now next. This is the next 3 helicopters are colliding and giving a air show. Next. Now these are 4 helicopters. These are 4 helicopters colliding and giving a air show.
This is the Hafiz. In the center, middle.
This is the 3 helicopters, and in the center up is Harpreet. He is driving when the picture was taken.
Flying.
Left flying. It's in the flying, and this up one we are showing. This is Harpreet on the top. Okay, next. Open this. Next. This is again December last month. December 2001. It is again 1 helicopter. 2011, and this is the Air Force album on this left side. Okay. Done. Okay, now Harpreet is doing some course where Florence is there in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. After 2 months more, he will go back to Salur with his family. So this nail we have put in your office area. 1 nail we have put in your, and also we had hold on. Also we had put one what's called bold rack. We had put this rack on your this office almara, and we have made enough place to keep your files. These are your files on the top. It's also rack, and there's a 3rd rack here. And also we have made right side one patta over here, bold we have manufactured, and this is the empty, and 3rd is again there are certain documents here. Yeah, no problem. So this is enough place. Yes. What you wanted to show more? Yes, curtain is left. Now he has to do some curtain work. This curtain, 1 curtain is to be added. He said that he will come within a day or so. This curtain, 1 curtain is to be put over here in the, and 1 window. No, and 1 curtain on this side is to be put here, over there. Okay. So almost work is going to be finished now within a day or so. So glass work was left. What? Okay, then I will. Okay, either I may load it now or I will send you once we go to Simran.